So we're going to see, for instance, like the inside of its insects. There's only, well, I think it's important to mention now, like Carsonella is the only bacterium that lives in the gut. There isn't any other competition in the gut. So there's no immune defense for this bacterium. There's no competition. None of the genes related to competition are in here. And if it's full of amino acids from the insect, you'll see a lot of the amino acid synthetic pathway is also done. It doesn't need to make its own protein. It actually just sucks it up from the insect. And so a lot of these genes just drop out.
Yeah. So this is very new research in terms of the limitedness of their metabolism. This came out like 2 weeks ago.
That's pretty awesome.
It's that new that they found out that they could actually model this organism and the organism in which it's symbiotic with, which is a hackberry louse. They could model it as a single metabolism by taking sort of the union of their metabolisms.
How is this symbiotic rather than parasitic?
So the problem with the hackberry louse is it lives exclusively on sugar. So animals can't live exclusively on sugar because they need proteins to build both cells, and they need essential amino acids. By essential, I mean amino acids that the animal doesn't build on its own. So it has this organism, this Carsonella, to produce its amino acids for it.
So it pays rent by producing the amino.
And so it pays rent, and the hackberry louse provides sugar. It gives it a nearly unlimited supply of sugar. And so living exclusively on sugars is it's a sugar media, and animals don't live on it very well unless they have something like this, a system in which they can generate primary amino acids. So, getting back to the genome. So the functions of the core genome. This will be the main things that a genome needs to be able to do. And it turns out these are basically the only things that get done in this genome, which is it needs information storage and processing. So bioinformatics, genomics, and molecular biology borrow very heavily from computer science in terms of, in these particular terms. And in thinking of information storage and processing, we need DNA metabolism. We need DNA to be able to replicate and repair itself. We need RNA metabolism. We need to be able to transcribe. We need to be able to translate RNA. And we need to be able to degrade RNA. So transcription, remember, is just changing your alphabet. So just doing the reverse and switching some characteristics